The latest version of the Bikeflights Bike Box Large is optimized for shipping most larger-sized bikes like full-suspension mountain bikes and e-bikes. It easily assembles to a size of 64 by 14 by 32 inches. It's designed so that you don't have to remove your rear wheel and rear derailleur. Packing the Bikeflights Bike Box Large is a simple process that requires you to do these 10 key steps. First, shift the rear derailleur to the easiest to pedal gear. Remove the pedals. Remove the front wheel. This is a great time to remove the rotor as well. Put a spacer in your front brake caliper and secure it with rubber bands, zip tie, or tape. Replace your front wheel with our cardboard fork block and patented dropout spacer, which is sized to fit 9 different axle widths. Lower or remove your seat and seat post. Remove your handlebars and replace the faceplate. Place your bike inside the box, making sure your rear wheel slides into the rear wheel slot. Insert the wheel sleeve next to your bike, followed by your front wheel. Protect your paint job using household items such as tube wraps, old towels, rags, etc. Utilize the perforated holes and included bungees to secure your rear wheel, front wheel, and other parts to prevent movement inside the box. Don't forget to pack your water bottles, seat post, if you removed it, pedals, and rotor. You can slide your small parts bag into the openings on either side of the rear wheel slot for safekeeping during transit. Once your Bikeflights Bike Box Large is packed, use bikeflights.com to ship your bike with confidence. Check out our videos on how different styles of bikes can be packed in the latest version of the Bike Box Large. We ship. You ride.